Hello, my name is Arkadi and I am the Knowledge and Training Manager of Galooli. Today I will present to you the Galooli Pro application. With the Galooli Pro application, you can create reports to analyze your assets' past and current behavior. Now let's take a closer look at the Pro application features and structure. So as you can see here, I choose the Pro application. From the left side, you can see the organization tree. The reports you will generate will be based on the units you selected from the organization tree. You can either create reports using the Galooli templates reports or create reports from scratch by yourself. Let's start with the templates. A wide variety of reports are included in the Galooli report templates. The reports can be found via the search bar or simply scrolling down and finding the relevant report within the relevant category. Each report includes an explanation of its purpose, its type, and its specific benefits. Additionally, some of the reports already contain a dashboard as part of the report. When you hover over the report, you will see more value and potential of the report. At that point, it's very important to understand the difference between two main types of reports in Galooli. There is a detailed report that offers a comprehensive view of all transmissions for one specific unit with access to raw data collected from the field. And there is a summary report, more common report, that designed for quick and efficient insights from one to all organization units. As soon as you select the relevant report, let's try the tenant consumption, all fields contained in the report will appear in the selected field section, as you can see here. The template includes not only the fields, but also the time span and the data aggregation. Now, you can add more fields to your report or create a new report from scratch by using the Create from Scratch section. So if we use the existing report that we chose from the templates, you can go here, Add Field, System Parameters, and you will see all the different categories of fields if you open each one of them or search for a specific field if you know the name of the field. So you will find the relevant fields. And then by clicking, it will be added to the end of the report, as you can see. From the other hand, you can create from scratch. So for example, if you want to create reports from zero without using the templates, you can go here, open the general, choose the type of the reports, then go to Add Field and start by choosing the relevant fields. Before you run the report, you can edit the fields. For example, change the name of the fields, filter the data, or remove the fields. So for example, let's go and take the tenant's consumption report again. As you can see here, by clicking on each and every field, you can filter it, you can change the name, delete it, or move it between the different fields. Another excellent feature of the Pro application is the calculated field. Through this feature, you will be able to make mathematical calculations between different fields that you selected in the previous steps in order to create your own customized field. So for example, we can go here to report fields. Those are the fields that you chose. You can take the tenant 1 average power, for example, go to functions again, and multiply it by any other field that you chose before. So here you can see what the results will be. On the functions level, you have explanations about each and every calculation, each and every formula. Now just give it a name, click Save, and this will be added here in the end of the report. Once your report has been prepared, it's time to run it and review the results. you're doing it, but click View Report. So I chose the telecommunication site cluster and click View Report. All the data can be found within the report results. Each column can be searched, as you can see here, can be filtered, and can be set from big to small, from A to Z, whatever you want. You can download the data as a different file type if you want. In addition to the classic view of the information in the form of a table, as you can see here, you have the option to view the information in the form of a dashboard that can be edited and shared. So this is the dashboard designer, and those are the fields from the report. So we can change the structure, make it bigger or smaller. The different cards can be edited, deleted, duplicated. You can change the data itself, how it looks, the view, everything. You can add more cards, different cards like charts, tables, pies, whatever you need, and save it and make it your own dashboard. This report specifically includes a dashboard structure, so you're able to use it immediately. However, you can also edit the different cards as you wish, as I said before. There is also an alternative way to view information called detailed graph. It's something that you can do only with detailed report. So now I will run another template report from the Galooli templates report, a detailed report, only on one unit, because this is how a detailed report works. And I will show you now this specific detailed graph that you use only in detailed report. So it seems the same, it's a table, but here you have a new logo, detailed graph, and here you can see the information on a different view, different level of view. So you can edit, like show and hide the different fields. For example, you can add the log, and then you can see the information combined together on a graph and not only on a table. After you finish that and you're satisfied from the report, you can always save the report, and it will be easy for you to use it later. So let's take, for example, again, a template, and now I can save it, give it a name, and you will see all the saved reports here under my report section. When you save the report, you can share and schedule it among the other options. So for example, if you click on the save report, you can click here on these action buttons, and you have a different actions that you can do with this save report. So for example, the visual will take you to the dashboard designer. As you see before, the dashboard designer was the place that convert a report to something in a different level. So you can create your own dashboard by adding pies and charts and change the information, change the name, whatever you need. Another thing you can do is schedule the report, the saved report. This option, you can schedule the dashboards and the report's results to be sent to different Galooli users on a different timing and time span without entering the Galooli solution each time. So as you can see here, you choose the object, the time when the report will be sent, the report and the dashboard, the time span, the type of file, data aggregation, and you can enter here the emails. You can publish the report. You will be able to share this report within the organization itself without having to send them via email, so it's easier to share it. And of course, you can share the report with the Galooli users by enter the emails, and then they will get the report itself, not only the results. The last feature of the Pro application that that I would like to enlighten today is the capability of integrating the data from the report with your internal system using SDK links. So imagine that you created your own report or used some templates from Galooli. You can go here, click on SDK link, copy the URL, and embedded this information in your own internal systems in order to see the data from the report. That's all. It was a pleasure to present to you with the main features of the Pro application. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you very much.